In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download Minecraft for completely free. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you're going to do is that you're going to open up your browser and search for Minecraft free. Then click on search. Once you do that, you can then click on the official Minecraft website, which is this one right over here. Click on it. Once you do that, you can then simply scroll down and then select your operating device. I'm using a Windows, so I'm simply going to click on the Windows option. So if you're using Windows, click on the Windows option. And then it's going to start downloading the Minecraft app. So wait for it to finish downloading. Once it's done downloading, you can simply close your Google Chrome browser, then go over to your downloads, click on the exe APK, or rather click on the Minecraft software, and then select this checkbox right over here and then click on install. Then you can click on the yes to confirm. After this, it should start installing. Once it's done installing, it's going to ask you to insert, or it's going to ask you for your Microsoft account. So simply place your Microsoft account and you'll be able to start playing Minecraft for completely free. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.